7 side hustles you can start this year. In today's fast-paced and uncertain economy, having a single source of income is no longer enough for many people. Whether you're looking to supplement your salary, save for future goals, or achieve financial independence, a side hustle can be a game changer. It's no longer just about making extra money, it's about financial security, flexibility, and the opportunity to explore new passions. The beauty of side hustles is that they allow you to earn additional income without quitting your full-time job. Many successful entrepreneurs started with a side hustle before turning it into a full-time business. Companies like Amazon, Apple, and Spanx were all once side projects that grew into billion-dollar enterprises. While not every side hustle will lead to a global empire, many can provide substantial income and open doors to new opportunities. Why consider a side hustle? Financial security. With rising living costs, layoffs, and economic fluctuations, having multiple income streams can provide a safety net. Increased savings and investments, extra earnings can help you pay off debts, build savings, or invest in future wealth. Flexibility and freedom. Unlike traditional jobs, side hustles allow you to work on your own schedule. Monetizing your skills and hobbies. Many people turn their passions, like writing, art, or fitness, into profitable businesses. Potential for full-time business. A side hustle can grow into a sustainable business, allowing you to become your own boss. The great news is that starting a side hustle today is easier than ever. With the internet, social media, and various digital platforms, you can launch a profitable venture with minimal investment. Whether you have a few extra hours per week or want to turn your evenings into productive income-generating time, there's a side hustle that fits your lifestyle. In this video, we'll explore 7 lucrative side hustles you can start this year, complete with step-by-step guidance on how to launch, grow, and maximize your earnings. Whether you're tech-savvy, creative, or simply looking for a smart way to make extra money, this list will provide practical and profitable options. Let's dive in. 1. Freelancing, writing, graphic design, programming, etc. Freelancing has become one of the most accessible side hustles due to the rise of digital platforms that connect freelancers with clients worldwide. If you have a skill in writing, graphic design, programming, video editing, or even data entry, you can start freelancing today. How to get started? Identify your skill set and niche, e.g., copywriting, web development, social media management. Create an online portfolio showcasing your work. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and TopTal to find clients. Start with competitive pricing and gradually increase rates as you build a reputation. Network on LinkedIn and social media to attract direct clients. Potential earnings. Freelancers can earn anywhere from $20 to $200 per hour, depending on expertise and experience. Key benefits. Flexible work hours. Work from anywhere. Opportunity to turn it into a full-time business. 2. Dropshipping and e-commerce. E-commerce is booming, and dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to start an online store without holding inventory. With a dropshipping model, you sell products directly from suppliers to customers without handling inventory or shipping. How to get started? Choose a profitable niche, e.g., pet accessories, tech gadgets, fitness gear. Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Find reliable suppliers on AliExpress, Spocket, or Sale. Use Facebook ads, Google ads, and social media marketing to drive traffic to your store. Potential earnings. Depending on marketing efforts, you can earn $500 to $10,000 plus per month. Key benefits. No need for inventory storage. Low startup cost. Scalable business model. 3. Print on demand, selling custom merchandise. If you enjoy designing, print on demand, POD, is a great way to sell custom products without handling manufacturing or shipping. You design graphics for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, and a third-party company prints and ships them for you. How to get started? Create unique designs using Canva, Photoshop, or Illustrator. Set up a store on platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, Printify, or Printful. Integrate with Shopify or Etsy for additional reach. Promote products via social media, influencers, or paid advertising. Potential earnings. A successful pod business can make $500 to $5,000 plus per month. Key benefits. No upfront inventory costs. Passive income potential. Creative and fun business opportunity. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. It's one of the best passive income side hustles because you don't need to create your own products. How to get started? Choose a niche: tech, health, beauty, finance, etc. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, or ClickBank. Create content via a blog, YouTube channel, or social media to promote products. Use SEO and paid ads to drive traffic and increase conversions. Potential earnings. Some affiliate marketers make $100 to $50,000 plus per month, depending on traffic and audience size. Key benefits. Passive income potential. No need for inventory or customer service. Works well with other side hustles. 5. Online tutoring or coaching. If you have expertise in a subject or skill, online tutoring and coaching can be a highly profitable side hustle. You can teach academic subjects, fitness training, language learning, or even career coaching. How to get started? Identify your area of expertise: math, business, fitness, language, etc. Register on tutoring platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, Wizant, or Teachable. Offer one-on-one coaching through Zoom or Skype. Create and sell online courses on Udemy or Skillshare for passive income. Potential earnings. Tutors can make $15 to $100 per hour, while course creators can earn thousands of dollars per month. Key benefits. Flexible working hours. High demand for education and skill development. Potential to scale with digital courses. 6. Social media management. Businesses and influencers need help managing their social media accounts, creating content, and growing their online presence. If you have skills in social media marketing, this could be a great side hustle. How to get started? Learn social media marketing skills: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Offer services such as content creation, ad management, and community engagement. Find clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. Use Canva or Adobe Spark for content creation. Potential earnings. Social media managers earn $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on experience. Key benefits. High demand for businesses. Can be done remotely. Opportunity to build an agency. 7. Real estate side hustles: rental, Airbnb, property flipping. If you have some capital or own property, real estate is a great way to build wealth. You can rent out a property, flip houses, or manage Airbnb rentals for passive income. How to get started? Rent out a spare room or apartment on Airbnb or VRBO. Invest in rental properties in high-demand areas. Consider wholesaling real estate, finding undervalued properties and selling to investors. Learn property flipping by buying, renovating, and selling homes. Potential earnings. Rental properties can generate $500 to $5,000 plus per month, depending on location and demand. Key benefits. Passive income potential. High return on investment. Long-term wealth building strategy. Indeed, starting a side hustle is no longer just an option. It's a smart financial move that can provide extra income, financial security, and even the potential to build a full-time business. In today's fast-paced world, relying on a single income stream can be risky. Economic downturns, unexpected expenses, and job instability can make financial planning difficult. However, by launching a side hustle, you take control of your earning potential and create new opportunities for financial growth. The 7 side hustles discussed in this episode, namely freelancing, dropshipping, print on demand, affiliate marketing, online tutoring, social media management, and real estate, are all viable, profitable, and flexible. Each one caters to different skills, interests, and investment levels, ensuring that there's a perfect option for everyone. Whether you're looking for something that requires minimal upfront investment, a digital-based hustle you can run from home, or a long-term wealth-building strategy, there is a side hustle that fits your lifestyle. Key takeaways. Side hustles provide financial security and freedom. Having multiple income sources can help you manage unexpected financial challenges. Most side hustles require little to no upfront investment. Many options, such as freelancing and affiliate marketing, can be started with just a laptop and an internet connection. A side hustle can grow into a full-time business. Many successful entrepreneurs started with a simple side hustle that turned into a life-changing career. The digital economy has made side hustles more accessible than ever. Platforms like Upwork, Shopify, and Airbnb allow anyone to monetize their skills and resources. What's next? Now that you have a list of profitable and achievable side hustles, the next step is to take action. Choose a side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests, set clear goals, and dedicate time to growing your income stream. Start small, stay consistent, and adapt as you learn. Remember, success in any side hustle requires dedication, persistence, and smart strategies. The sooner you start, the sooner you can enjoy the financial and personal benefits that come with having an additional income stream. So, which side hustle will you start this year? The possibilities are endless, and your journey toward financial independence and success begins now.